Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, mesarastarr. So what you're looking at is I went to Michael's. Let me show you what okay, so I want to tell you guys I'm going to be doing a sorry, lost my train of thought there for a minute. I'm going to be doing a unboxing of these tonight. So I'm going to be sitting all day wondering what's in here, but later on tonight I'm going to wait to unbox these with you guys so you can see as I'm unboxing what I found for $4. They have the grab bags right now at my Michael's. So I've been calling what was it? I've called a few times to see, here's my Michael's, and I've called a few times to see what when the grab bags are going to be available, and I called and they said it was today. So I came over here, so we're just waiting, or I'm just waiting, sorry. There was so much, and I'll include the video when I do my haul at home, but I'll include the video of me showing you what my Michael's had for boxes. They had boxes and boxes. I just chose 3, and they're full. And I mean, I'll explain why I chose these 3 boxes when I do my haul later. But yeah, they had plastic bags, but well, I'll just tell you now, they had plastic bags too, full of stuff. But I chose the boxes because it's just easier for me to store in my garage for, you know, next year or wherever I want to store it, you know. So yeah, I'm just waiting to get home tonight when I get a chance, and I'll show you guys what I got. I'll unbox it. There's the $4 grab bag sticker, and it's just, I'm so excited, like cannot even believe, like I'm just so excited. Somebody asked if I worked there, a customer, because I was going through the boxes, and they're asking me if I knew where sticky tape was or something. I said I don't know where it's at, sorry, and I don't work here, but if I knew where it was, I would tell you. I said I'm just looking for these grab bags. I'm like, I know it looks like I work here, so I thought that was cute, because I was like looking through all the boxes and stuff. Well, not looking, but like, you know, you can kind of see inside. See these? You can kind of get like a little sneak peek. And some of them are heavier than others. Like, I don't know what in the world that is, that silver thing sticking out. So you can kind of see, okay, I've got tinsel, but there's other things, other goodies in there too. So thank you, Michael's, for the grab bags today. I spent $12 and change with tax. So I'm just gonna get home, put these away, and then I'll do a haul later tonight. But I just wanted to get on here and say hello. And I see something blue sticking out there. And again, I'm gonna wait patiently and not open them till I can get home and do my video with you guys on later tonight. So I just want to say stay tuned, and I'll be doing my haul later this evening, and I'll post my video. I'll upload it so you guys can see what I got for 12 something, okay? So have a wonderful Monday, and I'll talk to you guys real soon. Okay, bye now.